All right, fellas. All the exhaust piping is here, so let's get started on this. So my plan is to, let me zoom you out, come out, go past the cross member, drop the X pipe right here, and then come back out. I'm gonna punch some holes right here, and then bring that exhaust through here. And then we'll, once we get past the cab, which is right here, we'll mount the mufflers here and then dump them. I usually start back to front, but since this header is a little bit higher and a little bit longer, I'm going to start here. So drop it down, get it to the same level as the bottom of the frame. This one, the piping is, I guess you could say it's about level with the frame. This one should be pretty straightforward. We'll just bring it out, go past it, 45 over to the X pipe. And then once it goes past the X pipe, 45 back out, and then straight through there. I think it should work pretty good. The only thing that sucks is that all this is caked with, I guess, transmission fluid from the old trans. So I'm gonna have to clean this up pretty good before I punch the holes, but I wanna get out of these two first. So yeah, let's get to work on that. All right, you guys. So the other X pipe I had, I was gonna have to cut it. I didn't like how it was gonna end up being. It would have been a pain to weld on that with the oblong cutouts or whatever, but I ended up making my own. So from here, I'll make the ones coming out of the headers. Well, you know what I mean. Come out of the headers and then 45 into this and then out into the headers. And then this back side, we'll do the same to come out through that cross member. Unfortunately, it's already kind of late, so it's almost 9. We didn't get much done. Got kind of busy after work, but it's no biggie. Tomorrow, we'll do as much as we can. Try to get this buttoned up by Thursday. Today's Tuesday. It's gonna be short and sweet video, I guess. But hopefully by Thursday afternoon, if not Friday, we'll get this done, and then we'll get the rest of the stuff done for the truck. Other than exhaust, all I'm missing is fluids, the belt, those the inline resistor for the alternator should be here, I think Friday. Amazon lied to me. It's supposed to be here today, and then I guess UPS or USPS lost it. Typical, but whatever. We can, while all that stuff gets here, we can get the exhaust knocked out. I'm gonna have to add the O2 bungs for the wideband sensors. Oh, also the emergency brake cables, I got them moved up over the cross member. It shouldn't be an issue. The only issue I see might be this. But if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we'll figure something else out. But yeah. This week is all gonna be exhaust, so it might just be a little bit of talking and the rest of it will be time lapse, and yeah, we'll go from there. That's all I got for today. Thanks for hanging out. Jesus loves you. Peace.